At attention, Commander, the Hellhound Rogue faction has developed new electromagnetic pulse technology that they are using to take over the world map. They will stop at nothing to fulfill their quest for glory. We are commencing Operation Shockwave. The Hellhounds have been training new troops called Shock Troopers, which have the ability to immobilize ground-based vehicles and turrets. Hellhound bases are clearly identified on the world map. You must lay siege to the bases to stop their ambitious plot and gain access to their new technology. The Hellhounds have an affinity for surprise attacks, so be constantly on guard when assaulting their bases. The more Hellhound buildings and units you destroy, the more XP you'll earn. You can subsequently trade in your XP for access to new technology that will allow you to construct additional units. The new Shock Trooper unit carries a high-voltage capacitor that discharges concentrated electromagnetic beams which stun ground-based vehicles and turrets. The new Shock Turret takes the technology to the next level, as the electromagnetic beams have an area of effect damage that can incapacitate multiple vehicles at once. Operation Shockwave begins Thursday, December 6th, and wraps up on Wednesday, December 12th. Dismissed!